EMAK10 workshop today. My name is Lê Bá Hồng, coming from UCO, Vietnam. And today, in my presentation, it's about improving energy efficiency, or EE, in commercial buildings by utilization of high efficiency equipment. So I will say EE for energy efficiency for short. So in my presentation, there are 4 parts. First, briefly about company profile, our company. Second, project summary. Third, I will go into the introduced technologies and effects of the project. And last, I would like to introduce a product that we're developing, namely navigation BMS software. So I would like to introduce briefly about the company. And the mother company in Japan is called Yuko Keiso, established in December 2063. Main lines of business: design, installation, and maintenance of instrumental system and automatic control system. And the second part is design, installation, and maintenance of equipment for telecoms, security, emergency electricity, and air conditioning system. The third is the sales of instrumental devices and automatic control devices. And finally, we also provide architectural designing, supervision of building construction, and consultation of facilities management and services. In Japan, our main headquarters is in Tokyo, and also we have some other branches like Tochigi, Saitama, Yokohama, and in Hanoi. We have one subsidiary company, namely UCO Vietnam Ltd. UCO Vietnam was established in 2012, and we do build on some line of business of the mother company. We operate in a consulting and engineering service for BMS, building management system. And second, we consult for energy saving projects. And here, especially on the joint crediting mechanism. And the third is design, installation, and maintenance of electrical system, automatic control measurement, and energy monitoring system. And we're also developing the system for energy monitoring and system diagnosis. Next, project summary. This project follows JCM between Monterey, Vietnam, and Japan, namely NEDO. These are the 2 key stakeholder agency on Japan and Vietnam side. The project that we're going to present EBIA Engineering Ltd of Japan is directly in charge of implementation of the project. The project is implemented in 2013-2018 period, and in the project, thanks to the support of Mitsubishi UFJ Morgan Stanley, with multi-years experience in assessment of CDMA, development mechanism. They are responsible for verification of energy saving effectiveness. On Vietnam side, we have Ho Chi Minh City University for Natural Resources and Environment, who verify the introduced technology and conduct promotion activities in Vietnam for the technology. And also we have the support from Ho Chi Minh City Energy Conservation Center, and also the hotels and partners in Vietnam. And on JUCO side, we have been following the project since from the beginning to end. And now we have been delegated or authorized to disseminate or diffuse the technology in Vietnam. And the project is implemented in 5-star hotels in the two big cities, particularly in Hanoi, Nikko Hotel, whose name has been changed to become Hotel Du Bắc Hanoi. In Ho Chi Minh City, the 5-star hotel in District 1, namely Reconnaissance Riverside, Saigon. In this project, we aim to promote energy efficiency by transferring the latest technology from Japan, aimed at purposes such as air conditioning, a lighting system, and also heat. Here, specifically hot water supply system equipment. These are the main energy consuming parts of the hotel. And we have reduced consumption of oil and electricity by replacing with a high efficiency boiler and heat pump, and also LED for lighting. And also we have verified the effectiveness of reducing the consumption of energy by installing BEMS. And according to the JCM monitoring, is done from April 2016 to 21st May 2017. So we have reduced 260 tons of CO2. I would like to go into the details about the different technology and also the effectiveness in implementing the different solutions for this project. First of all, let me introduce about the high efficiency boiler. We use high efficiency boiler produced by Miura. This is a big brand company in Japan, and also they have the branches outlet for sales and maintenance. So they have high efficiency compared with normal boiler, and because of small size, so the number of control units we can based on the energy load. And in the hotel, the low load activities below 50% of the boiler account for long time or majority of time, which means that we are having energy loss. And in this project, we propose replacing the 2-ton boilers by two smaller 1-ton boilers of Miura. And the next solution for heat is a heat pump. And for this system, it is very familiar technology in Vietnam already. In this project, we use a heat pump from Mayakawa company. And for the heat pump, it also simultaneously generate hot water and also cool air. And for the hotel, they can use both hot water and cool air for low load parts. And another characteristic these are the results. When we install combining high efficiency boiler and heat pump for Riverside, Saigon, they have installed the heat pumps already. So in this project, we only apply the installation of the new generation high efficiency boiler system. And for EE, we can see that in 2016, the oil save is 27,000 liters, equivalent to more than 13,000 US dollars. For Nikko Hanoi, Hotel Du Bắc Hanoi, we apply both boiler and heat pump solutions. For this combined solution, we can save 185,000 liters, equivalent to 75,000 USD. And next, I'd like to talk about the solution we use for the hotel, namely the LED lighting system. For this project, we use a product of Panasonic Corporation. And for LED, the advantage is 2 times brighter and only 30% less power consumption compared with halogen lighting. So in Hotel Du Park, Hanoi, we have changed the halogen lighting system in the corridor using LEDs. And here we have a chart, which is about energy consumption reduction. So we have been able to reduce by 77 megawatt hour. Next, the solution on BEMS. So for the BEMS, it is short for Building Energy Management System. So it is a system consisting of instrumental control and also monitoring and analyze diagnosis equipment. They have a graph based on the announced figures of based on National Assessment Institute of Japan on the adoption of BMS in 201 buildings in Japan, and the reduction factor is 8.4%, is a targeted or desired reduction of expected by the Japan side, but in reality, it's higher. It's even 11.2%, which shows a high level of efficiency when we install the BEMS system. BEMS. And in this project, we have also deploy the BEMS, and we have a name. In Vietnam, we add V, which makes it VBMS. And one of the prominent features of that is less expensive and also efficient and simple hardware and advanced software. This system focuses on air conditioning because air conditioning system account for 60% of total energy consumption in the hotel. So the BMS can really deliver benefits. The main function of the system is a system chart for current operation status of the system. It can monitor and analyze analysis of energy consumption and operation index based on collected data. And the third is export alarm log and collected data. And through the BEMS, we have come up with the operation improvements. First, optimum operation of cooling water pump. Second, optimum operation of chiller system. And the system with the capacity levels based on the load of the AC aircon. And also optimum rotation of chiller system. And third, we create the manual for efficient operation. And fifth, we review the daily operation of the previous day and also pick the points that need to be improved to improve the operation for the next day. And through this, the BEMS system have come up with improvements in a short time, a few months, which have yielded energy efficiency results. And this is the result after the improvements actions. You can see that since September, we have been successful in reducing energy consumption by 18,000 kilowatts. In Japan, when we apply measures for operational improvement without the need for capital or financing investment, reduction by 5% is already very good. And in this project, we have been able to reduce by 7%. We have received a very positive assessment from the hotel's engineers and managers. And fourth, I would like to mention briefly about the software, which also have saved energy under research and development by our company, which is navigation BEMS. This is a software that can provide forecast based on the load of the AC, based on the collected data from the previous days, and based on the information collected from weather forecast um, through the use of AI unit and API, RPA, sorry, robotic process automation. And this software allows scheduling the operation for different units and the optimal value, and also it set up automatically the values that have been installed earlier to for optimization of the system operation. And as I mentioned earlier, the important thing for us to come up with a proper operation mode is to analyze the data that have been collected. And for this system automatically acquire or take the data and analyze. And it has automatic settings in place of the on the spot operational engineers. And for the hotel, the daily management activities are usually prioritized, and operational improvement by this, if it is done manually by human, it will be difficult for them to do improvement. And so our system automatically play the role on behalf of the engineers to set up the proper parameters for the system. So for all the detailed information about the software and the system, please can you contact us? And at the workshop today, that is a brief introduction. And for the greater details on the JSAM project and also some other JSAM projects that we have been implementing, you can contact us using the contact details as on the slide. On Japan side, Mr. Chiro, and on our side, you can contact me. Thank you.